Welcome everyone. We can use the floor as a resistance for our upper body to do some practices. But we can also do the way we are sitting. It's not a big deal. All we need is a surface against which we do it. Now, it's very easy, not a very tough part. You have the big surface on your thigh. Put your hands on the thigh. And now, begin with the index finger. Roll it back and forth. Pressure. Now, make sure that you are okay with the thigh area. Roll it back and forth. You need a surface against which. Now, go the middle finger. Go bend it all the way like that. Bend it. See that? Bend it. Against the resistance is what you're trying to do here. Against the resistance that you're providing for the surface that you have. How often can you do this? Anytime you're watching TV, anytime you're happening, this is a very easy way to get your fingers moving. And all five of them, thumb, bend the thumb, you see that? And then pressure on this so that this axis, what we did here for the fingers up and down, thumb can be done up and down as well. Push it down. All this is building up the inside muscles, smaller muscles of the hand, of the fingers basically, and you do that. That's flexibility and strength, both into the smaller muscles of the palm. Now comes the palm part. Palm part is the wrist part. Wrist part is easy. You pressure the wrist, and then you can move the wrist up and down. Now, you talked about making a little fist. Make a fist. Roll it. Knuckles. These knuckles help the thighs also. What you're doing, two things at the same time, but you're pressing it. You're pressing sideways. Rotate it. This is against the resistance, so there's a little bit. See, if you rotate just like that, this is without the resistance. When you do with the resistance, your muscles get a little stronger. Now you can do it on the side of the table or the chair. If you want to do it on the side of the chair, you can do the same thing side of the chair. I just showed you an easier way to do it on the thigh. I'm going to do it on the side of the chair also. Now, so we covered the wrist area, the fingers, and now the elbows. Now elbows are a little tougher to do, but what you want to do is keep your one palm here, hold it tight. Hold it tight there. Now, straighten up. Straighten up in this posture. And then push your hand down. Get the elbow bent onto the other knee. Lean forward. Inhale and exhale. Come up again. Relax. Straighten out completely. Tighten, push your hand, this hand, lower hand into the thigh. This hand is controlling the whole process. Elbow onto the thigh. Lean forward. But keep center, not sideways like we see here. Center and come up. That's the elbow. Now we're going to do the other side. Sit straight. Tight, tight, tight. Elbow and also the biceps. All are getting excellent practice. Let's do it 5 times. Straighten out completely. Tight, very tight. As hard as you can. Very important. Okay, relax. Just 1 or 2 taps here to make sure the muscles relax. Now comes the shoulder. Shoulder is similar. Oh, before we go to the shoulder, we'll do a cross one. So make it cross like this and go down, up and down. Make it straight, elbows together, up and down. Tough, becoming tough. Now this shoulder comes in, shoulder also getting a little pressure. Shoulder is getting pressure. Inhale and exhale. It's a very simple process, can be done anywhere. While you're sitting on a sofa, while you're sitting on a chair. Now comes the shoulder part. The shoulder part is cross the shoulder all the way and press there. This is what keep the pressure on this part of the shoulder. Lean over, and relax. Lean over, lean on this side. You notice a lot of pressure up here in the back. Same thing you do on the other side. Lean. Just doing simple maneuvers like that, but we are overusing the whole body weight now. Just feel the body weight on the entire arm. Keep it there. Do not move too much. See what happens and then relax. So, having done the shoulder, now comes the back part. It's tough to do the neck on this position, but you might be able to do this if you're able to touch the head to the knee area. It's not easy, so we're not going to do that. We're just going to do the entire upper body and upper muscles. And that what you do is an easy maneuver. Move up to the edge of the chair. Keep the hands straight. And now push up a little bit. Raise the bottom. Inhale and exhale. Raise the bottom up as much as you can. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Keep it straight. Raise up the bottom. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. One more time. This gives the entire upper body against the floor resistance, against the bottom resistance. Raise up again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. For those who are inclined to go further, because you feel very strong this morning, we'll go to 15 this time. Inhale and exhale. Big inhalation. Tighten the core. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. This gives a lot more of pressure and a lot more of support. The strength of the muscles, entire upper body. Massage it really well. Move it. Move the upper body. Circular motion on the shoulder. This part has been working very hard. The upper back. And so you release it and make sure that you are all okay with the upper body against the floor.